Well, in this video I am going to explain how to know if a vehicle's camshaft sensor fails. This sensor is from a BMW E39 530D, but that fault has the same symptoms in the sensors of most of the vehicles out there in the market. What are these symptoms? First, in cold starts the vehicle the first time, but if we stop the vehicle with the engine hot, and after a few minutes we try to start it, it may happen that it costs us a lot to start it. Or simply this does not start. In this case we will proceed to check it in a simple way. As soon as we see that the vehicle does not want to start, we will proceed to disconnect the sensor connector and extract the sensor from the vehicle. Then we will clean the oil it carries with the help of a cloth, and we will cool it with a jet of water, only in the part that is with oil, which is the part that is introduced into the engine. Once cooled, the water dries and is reintroduced into the engine. We secure it and we connect the connector, start, turn on the vehicle, and if the vehicle starts the first time, we already know that it is necessary to change that sensor. I hope this video will be of use to you. Thank you very much and greetings to all.